So there's so many more wonderful people that are beginning to use herbs and have lots of really thoughtful questions. And so I wanted to just answer the question is, what is a tincture? What is a glycerite? And what is an elixir? So I started to learn how to make tinctures, probably like over 40 years ago. And so a tincture is using a potable alcohol. So we use a certified organic alcohol, and every single herbal tincture that we make, we use a different percentage of alcohol blended with spring water based on the constituents in the individual herb. So that's why you're going to see a range of alcohol percentages on a tincture. Some could be 35%, some could be 45%, some could be 60%. It's really based on what is the best percentage of alcohol to draw out all that herbal goodness into your herbal tincture. So they're liquids, and they're made with a alcohol water base. And tinctures have a shelf life of many years. Whereas a glycerin, we use a certified organic glycerin, and glycerin is very sweet in itself. And what I have found over the years is glycerin is such a wonderful base to use, particularly for our herbs that have incredible fragrance and aromatic oils. So holy basil and lemon balm and lavender and rose, peppermint, fennel seed. Those are some of my favorite herbs to use in a glycerin base, because they just draw out the incredible flavors. It's almost like when I'm taking a lemon balm glycerate or a lavender glycerate, it's like I feel like I'm almost taking in the candy of lemon balm or lavender, because they taste so amazing that the taste of those herbs comes out so prominently in a glycerin base. So they're a non-alcohol base. They have a shelf life of 2.5 years. You definitely want to keep your glycerins in a cool cupboard. And then an elixir, many years ago, again, I'm sort of like this closeted scientist, a closeted chemist. I'm fascinated by plants, and I'm fascinated by their individual chemistries and which part of plants will give over their beneficial properties to water or alcohol or glycerin or honey, vinegars, the different solvents. And so an elixir is a mixture of a glycerin, so an herbal glycerin with a little bit of alcohol to preserve it. So that's how we make our elixirs here. It's a something sweet based with some alcohol to help preserve it. And again, those have a shelf life of 2 to 3 years based on what the herbs are and the percentage of alcohol. So they're all liquids. They're each made with different substances to draw out all the incredible beneficial properties of each of the herbs. So have fun as you're learning about using these beautiful herbs.